Intelligence for Mark Luis F. Barican. Mark is very active during class discussions. He is very good in reading number words and writing numbers. He likes to count and draw shapes, and even enjoys solving jigsaw puzzles during free time. Excellence in Visual Spatial Intelligence, Cara Micaela P. Limhoco. Cara is the girl who loves to collect colorful pictures and stickers. She likes to watch movies and cartoons such as Dora the Explorer, Blue's Clues, Barney and Barbie. She learns through pictures easily and can even recall pictures that are used in the lessons. Excellence in Logical Mathematical Intelligence, Catherine Marie R. Marzan. Kate is very good in counting and could be expected to recite during math class. She likes solving puzzles and identifying colors of the things around her. She enjoys doing tasks that involve comparing and classifying things according to their size, color, and shape. Excellence in Visual Spatial Intelligence for John Ezra R.C. John enjoys drawing. He can draw different shapes and color them with excellent color combinations. He enjoys browsing through books and looks at the pictures. And now for the honor students. Second honor, Edison Jerome D. Tomas. Ecolon Romel and Deli Tomas on stage. First honor, congratulations to Apollo Andrew M. Onkego, child of Richard and Elvira.